Hello everyone, this is 𝐬𝐞𝐰𝐬 from 𝐦𝐞𝐠𝐚 Planning Solutions. I welcome you all in this short trick video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create own tab on your ribbon. There are a lot of commands in different tabs and we require some of them. So can we group in a one tab? Yes, it is possible. Go to the file, go to the options, then go here, customize ribbon, select the last tab, press new tab, name the group, rename it as a my tab, say OK. Now I want to add few groups in it. So select your tab, add group here, new group, rename this group as a, let's say, editing tools. I want to create one more group as a project, rename it project. I want every editing option in this particular group. So you can go here, I want copy, then add in this group, cut, add in this group, font, add in this group, and I want to add some project commands in this particular group. Then I'm selecting the main tabs here from the project. I want this schedule and the status from this particular group, add it and say OK. You can see the new tab has formed along with the groups that you have created. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.